Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I will be reviewing and swatching for you two colors new to me from Imee. So Imee has graciously sent me two different colors of their brand, their base coat and top coat, so I can try out and review for you. And these products are available on Amazon, so I will have the link down below. And the two colors that you're already seeing on my nails are these two right here. And yes, I will have swatches for you. I will have a clip where you will see the application on these two colors. But let me go ahead and highlight a few things about the product. So again, the name is pronounced Imee, and the two colors that I have here are 111, this one 111, and 040. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. And art on top of them. There is a website, imeelinail.com, where there is a 10% coupon as well. You can get a 10% discount on any of their polishes. I will have that link below, and I will also scroll their 10% discount code at the bottom of the screen here. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.